This micro-credential deals with small engine starters and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill deals with manual starters. Manual starters can be made from metal or plastic with many different styles, but the basic parts are similar. Newer models are plastic to make them lighter in weight. The basic components of a manual starter are shown here. They are the housing, recoil spring, pulley, nylon rope, and the grip. The first component is the housing. All other parts go into or onto the housing. Once the starter is assembled, the housing fastens the starter to the engine. The recoil spring is a long coil of spring steel with bends on each end. Those bends are used to anchor the spring in place. Because of that long coil shape, the spring can be dangerous to handle. If the spring is under any tension, it can and will pop out, throwing the pulley and spring at you. Safety glasses are a must. Even if the spring is not under any tension, it still can pop out of place. Be careful and cautious when disassembling and assembling starters. Springs can be coiled inside the housing with the pulley covering the spring, or the spring can be coiled inside the pulley. Some designs will wind the spring first, and then install the rope to the pulley. Other versions are opposite, installing the rope onto the pulley first, and then winding the spring. Remember, the spring is always under some tension, even when the starter isn't moving. There is tension on the spring when you pull the rope. When you pull the rope out, you are applying more tension, so be careful. The pulley is a place for the nylon rope to be stored when the starter is at rest. As the rope is pulled out, it spools off the pulley. Once the engine starts, the spring tension pulls the rope back around the pulley. Older pulleys were metal. Now, they are made from nylon that are lightweight and strong. Nylon rope is used for pull cords since it is strong and resistant to water, mold, and other elements. The cords are made in different diameters to accommodate varying applications. The last part to the manual starter is the grip. They are also made from nylon to make them lightweight and strong. Grips are available in many different shapes and sizes. The grip used commonly on snowblowers is the mitten grip. It has a large opening, making it easy to use with gloves or mittens. Once the engine starts, the starter must be disengaged so the rope can recoil easily. Most current designs use several fingers, called pawls, that pop outward when the rope is pulled. Those pawls catch onto ridges inside a starter cup, making the cup spin. The cup is fastened to the flywheel, causing the flywheel and other internal parts to move. Once the engine starts, the operator releases the pull cord. The pawls retract, releasing the pawls from the cup, and the starter spring rewinds the rope onto the pulley while the engine runs. Manual starters play an important part in operating various lawn equipment. They are typically used where weight of the equipment needs to be as light as possible.